Hi there, this is Amy. I'm going to talk to you really fast about Adobe Illustrator and just give you a quick tutorial and then rundown of how I rank Adobe Illustrator. So what is Adobe Illustrator used for? It's a really cool tool to create enhanced design products like logos and graphics that are used in everything or anything you want to do. So we're going to start here by drawing some quick lines. So I already created this design to start us off with, just to save on time. And I just used the vertical alignment tool and horizontal alignment tool to make sure everything was good as far as spacing and lining up. So right here I'm just drawing a few lines because we're going to do what's called an impossible triangle. So now that I've drawn these lines, I'm going to select the black arrow tool and I'm going to just select everything here. And you're just going to make sure if everything's blue, it looks all blue to me. So now we're going to use the cool tool, the shape builder tool. It erases and combines different shapes and just does whatever you want to do. By pushing the Alt key and the mouse key at the same time, you can kind of erase, and that's what we're going to do here. So we're going to erase this stuff and down here. So we're just going to clean this guy up and this one up. And now without pushing the Alt key and just the mouse key, we're going to combine these. So I have to say it outside to inside, outside to inside, outside to inside. And now we're just going to combine these to go with it. And it creates this really cool triangle. And with the white button pointer, we can actually select just single pieces of the shape. And that's how we'll quickly fill it in. So we've got pink selected, so let's do pink, and we'll just start with a full pink because that's awesome. And we're going to remove the stroke by the red line here, and we're just going to continue and select the next one and fill it. This time we're going to take 10% here. That gives it a little darker shade. And we're going to do the same thing where we remove the stroke. And remove the stroke. And do this way right here, final one. And this one we're going to do 20%. So we have another shade. And remove the stroke. And here you have a really cool triangle. Just as far as learning curve goes, Illustrator, I would probably give a 3 out of 5 stars. It does take a little bit of time to learn, but there are a lot of YouTube tutorials out there to help you, or you can get an Adobe certified course, which is what I did, and I found that to be really helpful. As far as functionality, I think it's fantastic. 5 out of 5. It can do so much. I'm still learning more, and it's actually kind of fun to learn as you go. Pricing seems a little high to me, especially if you're paying for several of the Adobe products. It's $20 a month, so it starts to add up pretty fast. You can do a grouping of Photoshop, InDesign, and Illustrator for, I think it's around $52 a month. So it does have a little bit of a higher price range if you're doing several of them. It starts to add up fast. However, if you are a marketing student or an art student at a college, you can get it for free. So that's one way to kind of catch a break.